Okay, another money saving idea. You guys remember my jacket? Well, I've been replacing the pads that fit inside here, and I discovered that the shoulder pads were real cheesy and cheap, and I didn't like them. So I got to looking around and I found this, which is a cheap shoulder pad, but that's a 1/2 inch thick, spread out. That's probably 7-8 inches. And it's got a nice curve that fits your shoulder. And this is a Joe Rocket jacket, and it fits in here really, really good. Now, I bought this one for around $3 or $4 for a pair of these. And you see they have slits in there where they have velcro in them, and I just pulled them out and saved them for another project. But to increase the safety of your jacket, I found out I bought this jacket secondhand, and I found out that the pads, with time and running them through the wash, and never run your jacket through the wash machine, will make these hard and they get brittle and fall apart. And so that's why these needed to be replaced. But this is a low-cost tip to put shoulder pads in there. So I got to put that back in. And another good cost-saving tip I'm giving you guys. Anyhow, have a good one. We'll catch you guys on the next video.